Welcome to day one of the technical session of the 2021 International Sucker Rod Pumping Workshop. This is Wednesday, February the 10th. This is sponsored through ALRDC, the Artificial Lift Research and Development Council. The day is divided into three separate sessions. Session one is on case histories, field experience, and best practices. Session two is our keynote speaker, Gabor Takis, with our panel for discussion. And in the afternoon, we have part two of our case histories, field experiences, and best practices from 12:30 to 2 p.m. I hope you enjoy today, and you're going to hear a brief comment from each of the presenters next. Hi, my name is Lynn Rowland, and I am a presenter at the 2021 International Sucker Rod Pumping Virtual Workshop. My presentation will be at 8:30 a.m. on Wednesday, February the 9th. The topic of my presentation is using dynamometer data to identify solid impacting pump operations. I'll use data from 12 different wells during the presentation. I really enjoy using fluid level and dynamometer data to analyze and troubleshoot and optimize the operation of sucker rod lifted wells. I hope that you can use this information that's presented to better analyze your wells in order to increase oil and gas production and reduce operating costs. If you're interested, please log on to the www.alrdc.com webpage and register to attend.
Hello, everyone. Before starting, I want to thank the ALRDC for the invitation. For me, it is an honor to participate and share the experience about artificial lift with the community. My name is Dimas Reyes, currently working at YPF in Argentina as a senior production engineer and sucker pump specialist. Today, I want to share with you our experience with the use of hydraulic pumping units to produce oil well in YPF.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I selected an interesting topic for today's speech and will try to present you the very basics of gearbox torque calculations and the optimum selection of counterbalance conditions. I do this with the aim to show you the background of counterbalancing a pumping unit. This is going to be an interesting journey, and I hope.
Hello, good morning. My name is Esteban Oliva. I am the Senior Technical Sales Manager for Sucker Rods Tenaris in the United States and Canada. I will be presenting today the performance of the special sucker rod Alpha Rod CS after 5 years of field experiences worldwide.
Hi everyone, I'm Anne-Marie Weber, an artificial lift engineer for Lightning Production Services. Please join us on February 10th from 1 to 1:30 p.m. where we will be presenting on successfully pumping the curve with thermoplastic liners at the International Sucker Rod Pumping Workshop. Also presenting with me is Justin Lundquist, an operations engineer for Revolution Resources, who is kind enough to sponsor this case study and presentation. First, I'll give you a brief overview, an introduction, and some background on line tubing and the benefits of it, and then I'll turn it over to Justin, who will present on the specific details of this case study. We hope you're able to join us.
Hi everyone, I'm Mike Hendricks with Distribution Now, and I'll be giving the presentation today. I'd like to thank Rick Webb for his help in preparing the presentation, but most importantly, I'd like to thank you for joining in today. and for attending this year's ALRDC. Today we're going to talk about improving efficiencies in rod pump workovers. I'm not sure how many of you out there know, but I have triplets, so improving efficiencies is definitely at the top of my list around